All right, guys, it's Garry Dean, Detail Juice Customs. I'm in the middle of rebranding, so I'm not sure what I'm going to call everything yet. But you know me from DetailJuice.com and this YouTube channel. So I'm working on this 2018 Porsche Macan GTS right now. I got to do basically a little bit of body work and repainting, and then clear coat the passenger rear door. Let me show you that. And I wasn't really going to do a video on this vehicle today because I kind of am really pressed for time. This is what happened, and this is why she called me. But it also has a couple of additional dings. Really, that's a low spot. That's a low spot. And then there's one right there that's pretty low, and then a little one right there. So I'm going to try to get as much out of that out as possible. Spray some paint on those areas, and then I'm going to re-clear the door. That's the plan. So see what it looks like now. Got to body work that dent out. Get these looking good. I'm going to try to glue pull these small ones and see what that ends up looking like. This one, I've just got to body work that. So anyway, see what she looks like now, and I'll bring you back when I got more done. Okay, I kind of skipped forward a little bit. I did get it all washed and everything. I got this door all prepped. I got all the body work done. It was really nasty right in here. Yeah, so should be pretty good. I do not charge what body shops charge. I charge a little bit less. Well, in some cases, a lot of bit less. Those body shops get absolutely ridiculous. But so I did all the body work. I then primed all of the area. I got it all smoothed out. I am going to wipe it one more time with glass cleaner after I get the car masked off. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap the car in plastic real quick and get this. I gotta shoot some paint on the primed areas and then give it a little blend, and then this whole panel is getting re-clear coated, and then it should look awesome, which I'm anticipating. So anyway, that's what she looks like pre-paint, and I'll bring you back after I got some done. All right, guys, this is the grand finale. I stayed late to get this thing done. I just got done polishing the whole thing with the Go One Step, and you can see the door looks absolutely amazing. That was the damage down there. That looks really good. I polished everything, cleaned the wheels, dressed the tires, and now my client is going to be picking it up. So there you go. Repainted door. This one here. All right, I got to get this thing out and move some stuff around. So thank you guys for watching. Check out DetailJuice.com for all your product needs. And let me know if you got any questions for me. My cell phone number is 813-846-4406. Have a wonderful day, guys. Thanks for watching. I know it's nighttime, but I just want to give you a glimpse of the door I just painted with just some indirect light on it. Color matches really good. Orange peel matches really good. Pretty happy with all of that. So that's a 2018 Porsche Macan GTS.